1998 Ford Range, driver's side, wheel arch repair. It's primer time. Not Bondo time, but it's primer time. I'm using this automotive primer here by Rustoleum. It's a 2-in-1 fillable sander. It's the first step in my priming process. Then I'll come back through with the automotive finish primer after I finish block sanding it. So first step, and I've already degreased the panel. I'm gonna use this tack cloth here just to take off any dust that might accumulate in the panel. It always helps sometimes. Granted, I'm working outside, so who knows what's going on if there anyway. Alright, so this is good stuff. Start up here. Do a light tack coat. All right. So that's number one. Number one.